Alright guys, I know there's been a couple people asking about the new house. So here is the new house in South Carolina. Have to say, really like the house. It's got some a lot of blueberry bushes over there that's going to produce a lot of blueberries. These are, I believe, pecan trees. So we're going to have some pies being made. And then we've got, these are called crepe myrtle trees. These are really, really old trees. So here is the house tour. As we walk up, got the stairs. It's pretty cool. All the doors have like these hurricane doors put on them, so it's kind of cool. And lo and behold, here's the house. I've got all the greyhounds in here. Buddy's here. Hey, Bubbly. Colt's here with his toy. So here we have a main dining room area. By the way, stuff's still all in boxes. Hey buddy, you gotta get away from the door, man. I gotta shut the door. Still gotta shut the door. There you go. So everything is still boxed up for the most part. So we've only got a couple things undone, but we did make sure that we got a picture up that I really like from when I taught 5th grade at Coastal. Here, Buddy chittering because he's so happy. He did hurt his leg, but he seems to be recovering pretty well. Colt's over here. Ladies over here. I'm pretty sure they think it's time for FOOD. It's not. So you come in, we've got the dining room. This is going to end up being a game room or maybe a reading room or something like that. Come on down this way. We've got...
It's going to be a piano room.
It's going to be a piano room is what Miss Jenny's saying. Come over this way. We've got a bathroom over here. We've got a craft room for painting and sewing. So we think that this is going to be an awesome room to do crafting with. Coming down the hall. Over this way we've got the main bedroom, and then here this will be my game room. Oh yeah, I only turned the fan on. So this will be the game room. There we go. So I've got my computer set up, got my Xbox set up. I gotta clean out my computer before I hook it all up. But as you can see, there's a whole lot of nothing in here yet. So, still working on that. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and leave this room. You can hear all the dogs walking because there is laminate, or almost like a tile, a wood looking tile. This is the main room here with the living room. We got TV on. I got XFL on. Been watching that, really enjoying that. Got a nice stone fireplace, brick fireplace. Colt's protecting the house as usual. Over here we've got this really cool eatery place or whatever. Right next to the kitchen where you can look out and see the yard, which is massive. We've got a solar array, which is really awesome. Over here is the kitchen where all the magic happens. Just got done making some tacos. They were delicious. Come over this way. And we've got our laundry room. That door, we'll go in that door in a minute. Got our laundry room, and then we've got our garage. We've got a security system set up, so you'll hear it yell garage door when I open this. See? So garage, still got stuff, whole bunch of stuff in boxes over here that I need to take care of. So lots of boxes, lots of stuff that I need to move. I got my poster of the moon over there. Got a bed I gotta disassemble and take upstairs. Oh, what's that? That upstairs is this door right over here. Let's go take a look and see the upstairs. The upstairs is really cool. So the upstairs is called, in South Carolina, they call them a frog. I've never heard that before I moved up here. But a frog stands for finished room over garage. So if we come up here, this is where the other bed's gonna go. I've already pulled the mattress up here. But we've got like a complete room that's up above the garage with this really awesome desk up here. So we figured this would be a really cool second bedroom. Oh yes, and that's right. There's also, like, let's see. I don't have, oops, that's the light for out here. I don't have a light in this room yet, but basically it's like like the cowboy doors from a movie, and inside there's like another tiny room. It's so crazy. Inside the cowboy doors, it's another room. So we call it like the dog saloon. So we're gonna get that cleaned up and that taken care of, but we haven't had a chance to do so yet. Colt really likes going up and down the stairs. So that's the inside of the house. We're going to go ahead and move the out of doors. But before we get to the out of doors, we got to go through this door here, which we have a little tiny light out there that I can turn on. I'm going to keep it off since it's still a little daylight. But we have this room back here where we have a swing, which is totally awesome. It really does swing. All the windows in here are not really windows. They're actually like a plastic material. And you can open up all the windows, all the plastic materials, so like you can vent this entire room. And all the plastic is like dark. There's also a chicken. But all the plastic is like dark, so that way, like if you're in here during the day, it doesn't get really hot. It's actually pretty chilly right now. Let me unlock the door so the dogs can go out. So there's another dog over there. I'm gonna have to yell at Colt in a second, because Colt likes to bark at that dog, even though that dog's not bad. So here's what temperature it is. It is currently, I'd say about 49, 48 degrees right now. So we know that it's not freezing, because freezing is 32 degrees. But out here I've got like a work shed. Inside the work shed I've got a workbench. It does have a solar array, pretty large solar array, which means that all of the electricity provided for the house is going to be powered by the sun. So I'm okay with this. The backyard is pretty massive, so the dogs have plenty of room to run, which is always a good thing. Those bushes right there, those lead out to the front, and those bushes are all blueberry bushes, so that means that during spring I'm gonna have lots of blueberries. This thing though, this thing's the cool thing. So this right here is a geothermal heating and cooling system. What that means is, you see how I've got some piping and stuff like that that lead underneath the ground? I've got this pump that's under the ground and stuff like that. what that means is that back in this backyard, there are like plates that are buried in the ground. So we can't do lots of digging or anything back here. But the reason those plates are there is they take the energy from the earth and they convert that to air conditioning and heating. So if I ever turn on the air conditioning unit, it's not a unit like we have in Florida. It's actually all powered by the earth. So it's a geothermal is what it's called. It's a really, really, really awesome system. So I kind of lucked out and bought the house that had a really, really, really scientific, just a lot of science going on in the house. Which, as you know, I like science, and that really, really benefits me. So that is a very quick rundown of the house. Still working on it, still unpacking things. It's an awesome house. Really like it. It's all brick, super big windows, lots of light. It's just a really overall really good house. I'm really happy with it. I'm really liking South Carolina. My students are awesome. I'm teaching 4th grade math and science right now. There goes Lady. There goes Lady. So much room for them to run. It makes me so happy. Zoom. She's a zooming. But anyway, I'm really liking this school. It's a lot of fun. We're working on it. Oh, you got the zoomies. Stepped on something, hurt your foot. Yeah, you'll be okay. So I hope everything is good down in Florida. I miss you guys. I miss all my students down there. I'll update something when I can. It's the first time I've had internet in about a month, so it's been a challenge as far as that goes. I haven't been able to play Call of Duty. I haven't been able to play any games. So last night was the first time I was able to play games in a very, very long time. So with that said, this is Schwartzy out.